Oh no, not again. Not again.
Ow. Okay.
This is a test of the no-weather radio warning alarm device
Sorry.
in
I'm
the
gonna get
emergency alert
Barbie.
system.
We're
During
kinda
potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built
Don't worry,
receivers
don't worry,
are
I'll shut these up
automatically
whenever
activated to
I'm at
warn of
school.
the impending severe weather and or hazards in east central Kentucky. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Tuesday between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. local time, and every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time.
Nothing.
When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test is
Okay,
postponed
I
until the
can't
next
move if
available
you want that
non-severe
beer.
hazard day.
Sorry.
This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office in Louisville, from a transmitter in Lexington on a frequency of 162.4 megahertz, with a rebroadcast through a transmitter in Madison County on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In east central Kentucky, Anderson, Bourbon, Boyle, Clark, Fayette, Garrard, Harrison, Jessamine, Madison, Mercer, Montgomery, Nicholas, Scott, and Woodford. This concludes the test of the no-weather radio warning alarm and emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming. Now for the official next for the
Alright. Not a successful test. Have a good day.